and magnitude 40.1.
We interrupt your programming. At 12:30 a.m., February 1st of 2209, an unusual, described as morphable, entity has been spotted in areas of Shibin City. The person that sent us the report told us the entity was eerily morphed. At another report from Naznan City, a eerie Latin-like song was sounding in distance, getting louder and louder, until a really eerie entity was visible. Please do not go out of your homes at night. Code 2747-2209-0201. Fear the darkness. Embrace the light.